Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings because Magnifier is an accessibility feature, not a standalone system lock. First, open Settings and tap Accessibility. Once there, scroll to Vision. You'll see Magnifier listed. That's the control you must change. Don't jump to Control Center yet, because removing the icon won't stop the feature. Instead, tap Magnifier to reveal its dedicated options. This is the only place Apple provides a global off switch, so proceed to toggle it off now. Once you tap Magnifier, toggle it off. This disables the app and its automatic camera magnification. Make sure to backtrack to Accessibility main screen and open Accessibility shortcut. If Magnifier is assigned to the triple click, tap it to uncheck, because shortcuts can re-enable it. Next, go to Settings Control Center and remove Magnifier from included controls, so accidental swipes won't open it. These steps together ensure Magnifier won't reappear from common quick access. You're almost done. Verify by trying the usual triggers. Triple-click the side or home button and open Control Center. Magnifier should be gone. If it still appears, restart the iPhone to clear cache states. Make sure software is up to date, because older iOS versions can behave oddly. If nothing stops it, reset accessibility settings, settings general transfer, or reset all settings as a last resort. This restores defaults without erasing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.